seen these channels on YouTube that uses the nursery rhymes that are very, very known and knowledgeable. And you probably ask yourself, how do they get away with it? This includes my channel, the Zoey Jamboree channel. We've created an Old MacDonald farm, and I got a question from our community. I was just as apprehensive and worried about copyright issues just as you are with nursery rhymes.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
And then I chatted to my son. He said to me, there's this thing that's called public domain. So what does this public domain thingy means? It means that somebody somewhere created work a long time ago, and they've been enjoying the copyright and trademark issues for a long, long time. But because it was created so long ago, it's now available to the public. The public can use that work that was created, and copyright issues will not be an issue. I went to ChatGPT to have my questions answered. What does public domain mean? It means that they are free to use, adapt, or remix without copyright issues. And these are the examples of the popular nursery rhymes that are out there. To test the theory out, we're going to log in on Suno. We're going to create a nursery rhyme, Ibaba Black Sheep, and we're going to upload it on YouTube, and we're going to see if we're going to have copyright issues. I don't have copyright issues with my McDonald song, so I shouldn't have issues with the Baba Black Sheep song as well. Let's sign in on suno.ai, and you're going to select create, and if we had written all the lyrics, we would enter them here. But I want a little bit of help from Suno, and I want to compare it with the lyrics that I've created from the help of ChatGPT, and we see how we, come up with a cool South African song. So the topic that I want to share is a Baba, and we're gonna write the lyrics and see. I accept this one. And you can still change stuff if you wanted to, if you were not happy with how the lyrics came up. And then you're going to write the type of style of music that you want. Since I'm in South Africa, I'm going to incorporate Kwaito, I'm going to incorporate the vuvuzelas, whatever you want to incorporate, including the female rhyme nursery. Then you adjust it, and then you scroll down, you write the title of the song, and you press create. What's left now is to have a listen to the songs that you've created, if you like them or not. So we're going to listen to a few ourselves, but if you want to listen to the final version, you need to go to Zoey's channel and go listen to the final version. I just want to show you the YouTube upload after we listen to the version that we created.
Baba, black sheep, have you any wool? Hypo, yes sir, 3 bags full. 1 for the master who likes to play. 1 for the dame dancing all day. 1 for the kid who laughs in the rain. Hey bo, with a jump and a wiggle, let's hop on the train. All the sheep in the field with a joyful tune, singing under the bright midday moon. Wool here, wool there, wool for everyone, spreading cheer under the African sun. From the grasslands to the city streets, Baba, black sheep, wool on repeat.
I like it a lot. The last thing I wanted to show you is the copyright issues that I did not have when I was uploading the Baba Black Sheep video to YouTube. You saw the copyright is clear. The last thing that I want you to please go and do is to go listen to the final version on Zoey's Jamboree's channel. This is the channel. We've uploaded the Baba Black Sheep. We've also uploaded the Old MacDonald Had a Farm. So far, we've had 13 views. You saw we don't have copyright issues. And with the Old MacDonald video, we've received 660 views so far. We do need subscribers. I will definitely appreciate it a lot if you go and subscribe and watch the 2 videos that YouTube has not penalized us on uploading because it is public domain. If this has added value, please press the like button. Please go over to Joey's Jamboree and subscribe and like. And you can also like this video from Learn with Zoey. Thank you so much for your support. I will see you with our next video.